What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Into this video, we are going to talk about NIO. Got a little bit of news coming out about that, and we are also going to talk about Tesla. But before we hop into that, we ask you guys hit that sub button. We're trying to hit 2,000 subs by the end of March. Help us out with that. We got a lot of you guys. I think it's like 80% according to the stats that aren't subbed to the channel. So if you're not subbed, hit that sub button. It really helps us grow the channel. That's all we ask. It's the best way to support. Also, link in the description for the Patreon if you guys are looking to get into that. You get access to our Discord, which gets you access to our portfolios. We got another portfolio coming out here in about, I think we're going to start that at the beginning of April, where it's Discord chosen. We ask the people in the Discord for some ideas, and we're going to put a voting options up for people to choose which stocks we put into a portfolio, and we're going to see how well we can grow this portfolio, if it grows at all. It just depends on the stocks. So if you guys want into that, get on over there. There's a couple dollar slots left. So again, link in the description for the Patreon. But yeah, without further ado, let's give it some razzle dazzle and hop into it. So let's start off with a quick little market update, man. Market is on fire today. I think everybody and their brother really wanted this for the day. I mean, it is fire.
Yeah.
Absolute fire. So NASDAQ is up like 3.5%. Dow's up. S&P 500. Everything's up. Everything's up. We saw this coming. It's just a matter of time of when. Right. So hopefully, with everything being fire today, I'm hoping this holds, through the week. The bond yields went down again. So yesterday they were up all the way up to 1.61%. And they pulled back today all the way down to 1.53%. So that's good news. A lot of people kind of like taking a deep breath there, Yeah. Dodging some bullets, I tell you. The NASDAQ is trying to make a comeback after dropping 10% as well in that correction state. So hopefully, I'm hoping this was the end of it and we start to see green lights from here, because my portfolio is up like 13% as of right now. And I'm hoping that it stays that way. The volume on a lot of the stocks are outrageous. Right. NIO's volume is freaking crazy. We'll get all that into that here in a minute. Yeah, so let's hope it keeps going. We got the stimulus that just passed the Senate over the weekend, so that's going to go through the House and then over to Uncle Joe's desk. So we'll see if that passes, and once all that passes, that could be another green. Yeah, it could be another big catalyst for the whole market in general. So hopefully all that plays out well, and it's just nothing but green days from here, guys. I really hope so. We all need it. That's for sure. Yeah. But let's go ahead and start with NIO, man. So NIO on fire today. Like we said, if we look at the chart, up as of right now, as of pretty much 1 o'clock Eastern time, it is up almost 16.5%, almost 17%. This thing is on fire today. This is exactly what we needed. We saw it get all the way down to the $30 mark, and now we're all the way back up to $40, $41 right now. So,
and the good thing is it's holding, and it's been trading sideways for the last hour, so that is good. It is holding. It's not, at least right now, it's not selling off like crazy.
Right.
I wouldn't be upset if it kept going up though either.
I'm not either. We'll wait for that 2 o'clock power hour, man.
Right.
The a lot of people at lunch right now, so maybe things are just trading sideways because lunchtime. I don't know. I could be making shit up. I don't know. But yeah, I'm hoping that it just like you said, it keeps going up. It keeps trading sideways. It doesn't go down. That's what we don't want. So go ahead.
I was just gonna say there's some news coming out about NIO. So NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto plan to list shares on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange as early as this year, which is huge because that's gonna just mean more money for all those guys. So they plan on to sell at least 5% of enlarged share capital, which altogether could reach $5 billion with a B,
which is massive.
So so NIO's gonna get at least $1 billion. It's a whole lot of money that they put into R&D, expansion, whatever the heck they feel like it. So that is good.
Right.
And also XPeng XPeng just said that they plan on delivering 12,500 vehicles in Q1, and NIO plans on delivering anywhere from 20 to 25,000. So pretty much almost double, could be. So that's good for NIO holders, not so good for XPeng holders because their deliveries are down a little bit. But there's some good news coming out.
Yeah, according to the China Passenger Car Association, the EV sales in February rose more than 7 times from that of a year ago in February. But they're also down 38% as from January to 97,000 vehicles, which
That was kind of expected because a lot of people bought it in December.
Right.
So
right.
they expected January to be a little less. That's kind of typical for it to happen.
And that whole chip shortage going on, that could have been another major factor there. But still not bad. Hopefully going through quarter one, the sales go up like you said. With the NIO, doing 25,000 vehicles would be fantastic.
That would be awesome.
But NIO also today released, they disclosed a patent that they filed a while back for wireless charging, which would be, I think that's the next step, like that for charging. Like that would be, it's inevitable, it's got to be coming.
Right, just imagine you just pull your car into the garage and it just starts charging. Right. You don't have to do anything.
Right,
that'd be
your
awesome.
hair stands up as you're standing there. Right. But this patent was filed back in 2017 for a wireless charging device and other methods for switching out coils in the cars. It's the article did say it's not clear where they plan on using this wireless charging, whether it's going to be for home use or whether it's going to be at some of their battery changing stations. It just didn't say. Right. But the patent was published, and it stated in the patent that it's going to be a wireless charging system for wireless charging methods for vehicles. But that also included charging transmitters, a charging receiver, a first driver, a second driver, and a control device. So it also went on to say that basically the patent says it can reduce the cost of installation of the wireless charging systems. But again, it didn't say where they were going to be using them. So
if they were the first one to be able to pull this off, that would be awesome.
That'd be
because I think years ago I saw Tesla saying something about this. Like I don't know if they were serious about it or if they were just kind of making jokes about it or what, but I do remember seeing Tesla saying something about this years ago. So if they came out with this and they were the first ones, that would be awesome.
But going to the wireless, I think that's going to be groundbreaking. I feel like I wouldn't see this for a couple years, but you never know, man. Maybe next year we'll see some wireless charging prototypes and things come out. So who knows? But I think that's big news for NIO and their research and development team, getting things like that to come out. So we'll keep an eye on that. And hopefully it plays out, dude. That would be pretty damn cool, honestly. Yeah. But another big stock that's moving today, man, is Tesla. Tesla finally getting its day to shine. If we look at it right now, up 16% as of right now. Finally coming back from that $500 mark.
Yeah, so that was rough. That was rough.
It was really rough. I think a lot of people were getting scared. A lot of people, getting scared with all these stocks. So it's great to see finally, having a great green day for a lot of these stocks. So I'm kind of hoping that throughout this week we see green days. It really just depends. You can't predict the future on these, but I'm hoping that we start to really push the lower 40s with NIO. We really start to push, the upper 600s, 700, lower 700s for Tesla. Yeah. It really just depends on nobody can predict the market. So
I mean, go back to NIO real quick and look at the volume. It's ridiculous for today.
Yeah,
like
the volume on it's 122 million. So that's what you want to see in these stocks. You want higher volumes on stocks like these. So
we've seen it before, NIO, and I mean pretty much all stocks. They don't really move unless there's volume.
Obviously, yeah.
So yeah, I mean that's literally the only thing that makes a stock go up or down is volume. So
right.
You gotta have it to move up, and today we have it, so that is good.
So hopefully all this stuff that's coming out, and maybe we'll get a partnership with NIO, and that'll kind of keep pushing this thing forward. But yeah, let us know in the comment section below what stocks are up for you guys today. Obviously everybody wanted to see this green day. It's great for us, great for our portfolios. With NIO being up like crazy. Let us know down in the comment section below what's moving for you guys. But I think that's gonna wrap up this video. If you guys like that kind of content, hit that like, share, notification bell, all that good stuff. Again, it really helps us grow the channel. We're trying to hit 2,000 subs by the end of March. So smack it. Just smack it, dude. Again, link in the description for the Patreon if you guys want to join our Discord over there. Again, we got a couple dollar slots left, so go snag them up while you can. Go get them. Get them while they're hot. But yeah, that's going to wrap up this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.